Niggas ain't know what I've been through, man. I've been through a lot, and music is how I talk about it. On some OGM shit, wild child shit. All y'all niggas gonna hear what I'm saying. They wasn't fucking with me, they was worried. They couldn't see me when the vision was blurry. You know I keep that story. Hey, tries where like curry. I'm never in a hurry. Go to McDonald's, get you a McFlurry. Fuck it, it's never working. See me win, you finna be hurt. I'ma continue to win. Soon you finna see me in the Benz. What will you think of me then? All my haters will turn to fans, and my exes gon' want me back. Fucking never doing it again. Come with me, Hail Mary, one quick see. What do we have? Do you wanna run down? Come with me, Hail Mary, one quick see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride that? Do you wanna ride that? Do you wanna get lit tonight? I got the juice, put the justice, turn up that Tupac since a youngin'. I always been hot. They always asking when your album gon' drop. When it's out live, I mean even listen to it. Only my real supporters, that's what I got for life. For my day ones, I'm always right. I will never hide. Believe in me, we finna be at the top soon. Stay by my side. I've been the thug, all my homies are bloods. I've been on the one. They wanna arrest me, I'ma always shine bright like the sun. Nowadays, gotta keep a gun. It's like you can't even have fun. You gonna end up in jail, there, that's where I come from. I put my heart in music and I ain't never gonna be done. Come with me, Hail Mary, one quick see. What do we have you now? Do you wanna run down? Come with me, Hail Mary, one quick see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna run down? Come with me, Hail Mary, one quick see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna run down? Come with me, Hail Mary, one quick see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride that? Come with me, Hail Mary, one quick see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride that? Come with me, Hail Mary, one quick see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride that?